All right, all right, all right. I'm at the track. Got a buddy who had this Hobao cage, the UT Texas Orange. I think it's the Hyper VSE. He's gonna let me run it. I tried to race a couple of Hobaos a couple of times, and you know, I didn't have the best of success simply because of the weight, man. These are heavy vehicles. All right, so let's see what we can do. Good old Hobao cage. All right, let's run it. Woo! Can't see over there, man. I'm gonna try going the opposite way after this. Oh, my torque control. What's going on? Yeah, so I see right now you can't articulate this cage in the air. I don't know if it's due to too much wind coming through the body and it not having a body or what, but it feels extremely heavy. It almost feels like I'm driving a truggy. And I can't articulate it in the air. Try this one more time. Oh. Yeah, see, I couldn't pull it down. I couldn't pull the nose down. Okay. Okay. Oh, shit, I'm glad that's padded. Ah, yeah, I gotta roll those jumps. Ah. You gotta have your theme music, gotta have some race music. Yeah, yeah, I already know. Yeah, I guess that's the good thing about that earlier rain.
Yeah, exactly. I was thinking the same thing.
It's not dusty, loamy, and all that.
A lot of times it's dusty into that.
Yeah.
I like to say, man, I do. It's a little track.
Exactly, man. It's a little duck off out here. I like it, man.